Welcome, today in front of me Vivo V23 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on your device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this blue dot to the right side with your finger by this way. And that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that in volume button controls you get selected the ringtone, not the media. And now just by using your volume buttons here on the right side of your device, press the up volume button, and by this way you can also unmute your device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.